the CNC machines that you guys use, we also sell, and you're running them all day. Tell us about the ABM CNC machines, why you have confidence in them versus other units. It's one thing for me to tell people, hey, buy the CNC machines from me. They're going to help your operation and they're going to do this, this, and that. Tell me why, someone should entrust these units.
For one, the service is it's awesome. If we got any hiccups with the machine, usually we can get somebody here the next day. And they're here usually all day, making sure the machine's running good before they go and take off. Um, I noticed the stitching itself, it's better than compared to the other machines.
Oh yeah.
Um, the size of the frame, just overall the table, the machine, everything I feel is built a lot better.
Right.
And it's pretty easy to use. Uh, I've got two people on that department now that I kind of just handed the machines over, gave them some training, and now they're running on the machines all day. They don't stop. We just keep feeding them one after another.